artisticvegan.com, and welcome to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. I'm very happy to be with you today to bring you hot chocolate. And you can have this just as hot chocolate, or you can turn it into a mocha, which is what we're gonna do, or I'm gonna do, to show you how to make a delicious mocha at home. My husband and I adore this recipe. It's actually in the morning here. We got a fire blazing, cool temperatures, and it's just the right time to have a mocha. So without further ado, let's get into how to make it. You won't need very many ingredients. You'll need some cacao powder and vanilla and agave, or you could use maple syrup, and some dairy-free milk and a pinch of salt, and that's really all you're gonna need. You can also add a few extra pieces of chocolate if you wanna make it extra chocolatey, but it's totally up to you. So to get going, and if you're making a mocha, then you also want either espresso or coffee, and you wanna make a small, really strong batch. So to get going, I'm gonna heat the milk, and this is dairy-free, and you can use a full-fat coconut milk for the creamiest hot chocolate in the world, or you can use, I'm using an organic soy today, or you can really use whatever you would like. So there's 2 cups. You can also make your milk at home. And then you want to heat that up, so I'm going to add everything but the cacao and the vanilla, and I'll add that at the end because it just makes it so much easier to mix in. So a little bit of salt. This just brings out the flavor in the chocolate. 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Of course, you can go as you desire there. I'm going to heat that up, and once it gets warm, then I'll add the cacao. Now you can add the cacao powder, and I have 3 tablespoons of that. And this is totally optional, but you can add a few pieces of baker's chocolate or vegan little chocolate circles, and it makes it really extra delicious. And you don't want to bring it to a boil, just below it, and then you can fill your cup up with a little bit of the coffee and the chocolate. There you go, a delicious mocha or hot chocolate, whatever you prefer, in the comfort of your home. Really delicious. Enjoy. Thank you for watching this video and spending your time with me. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment if you liked hot chocolate or mochas. Which one do you like more in the comments below? And I'll see you next time. Bye!